Guys, so I just got off from work and it's so like I saw sa feeds ko na may bagong commercial pala yung Barda. Of course I didn't know because I was so busy with work in SGLG sa mga kawani ng gobyerno. Alam niyo po yung SGLG. So we had a pre-assessment and I got busy the past few days, but oh my god, the moment it popped up on my feeds. Of course, I had to stop driving because I can't wait to see this. But yes, sa mga hindi pa nakakakita, come, watch with me. But before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And by the way, I just opened up my membership. So if you want to be part of the journey for Bulante TV, especially when it comes to reaction, you may want to become one. So, here we go.
May aminin ako.
Ako rin.
I love extra rice.
Iniibig ko ang McSaver's sulit busog meals.
Di mabibitin sa sarap ulam at...
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! I like the atake, like MCI and then Pulang Araw, like the dialogue, the verbatim, and how it was used in the first few seconds of the commercial. Oh my goodness! This is Kalig overload! Okay, let's go.
Daming sauce. Kaming mahilig sa kanin.
Sisimutin ang bawat butil. Ilalaban ko ang sarap ng 99 peso McSaver's sulit busog meals.
Para sa ikabubusog ng lahat.
Dahil ito ang inibig.
At
Guys, para akong... Oh god. Oh god. I think I'm a certified Barda fan now. Oh god! You know, I like... Okay, I'm so OA already, but I really think that yung pag-break ni Barbie sa social media and then she went abroad, it did a lot of good things sa kanya. Her demeanor, her countenance, her facial gesture, her eyes, she's blooming and she's glowing. And ito naman si David Licauco, kita mo yung, alam mo yung para to chill aggression sa kanyang mga mata na na-miss niya yung person na to. That's what you call chill aggression. Like there's a feeling inside of you that na gustong kumawala but you have to be chill. Kasi kailangan hindi masyadong explosive but ramdam na ramdam. Chill aggression. Oh God. Macdo, you're hitting the jackpot right now. This is so loving it!
At pinipili ko.
Wait, I have to watch that again.
Sulit busog meals.
Para sa ikabubusog ng lahat.
Dahil ito ang inibig.
At pinipili ko.
Wala eh. Hook ako agad eh. First few lines, first few seconds, first few stills of the commercial. Macdo, you're hitting the jackpot right now. I know that there have been a lot of budding love teams sprouting like mushroom all over the showbiz industry right now, but taking in and then using the service and of course playing on the stardom, the phenomenal success of Barda. Macdo. Ito yung napapanahon at bagay na bagay sa pagkakataon. Kasi aminin natin, may mga bagay, may mga pagkakataon na gumaganda sa pangalawang pagkakataon. And this time around, this commercial is oozing with sincerity, oozing with simplicity, oozing with sweet serenity, oozing with love. I'm loving it. How about you guys? What do you think about this? I think after this commercial, I know that there will be more. There will be follow-up. There will be coming na mga endorsements that this too will pop up in every social media. And this right here, kudos to GMA Network actually, because I think that they have given Barbie the time to process her own feelings, to be with her own self, and to just be on her own company. And the fact that she's here, she's glowing, she's blowing, she's blooming. Ang galing nyo dito, GMA. Inalagaan nyo talaga si Barbie. Because, you know, if for some other outfits or management, they would actually hit the iron while it's still hot. But I also understand that maybe at the back end, Barbie Forteza asked for a short break. And this is an opening salvo of what year 2025 for Barda. I really hope David Licauco is the man that he says he is. I hope that respect is there. I hope that whatever feelings he has for Barbie, I hope that it's still there, that it's growing and it's rooting and it's getting stronger day by day. Because for one, I believe that 2025 is one of the best years for Barda. Macdo, I'm loving it. And the 99 Max Savers, oh my goodness, pasok sa banga. And congratulations. Guys, what do you think about this commercial? What do you think about this oozing kilig? What do you think this oozing kilig that's all over the place sa commercial na to? Remember, when you're healed, when your heart is healed and you have peace of mind, love will find its way back to you. Congratulations. Have a good day. Bye.
Well, that's practice making